So student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of the thing that holds the atoms and molecules. Okay? So what holds together atoms and molecule? Like we know, when same kind of atoms combine, they form element molecule. Okay? When different kind of atoms combine, they form a compound molecule. So this one is element molecule and this is a compound molecule. Okay, so student, if we observe the structure of this element and this compound, okay, we can easily see that one atom of hydrogen combines with another atom of hydrogen. In this, one atom of hydrogen, okay, combines with, sorry, two atoms of hydrogen, they combine with one atom of oxygen. So this is hydrogen, this one is hydrogen, this one is oxygen, this one is hydrogen, and this one is also hydrogen. Okay, so there is a force, okay, there is a attraction force that hold the atoms, okay, that hold the atoms in a molecule, whether it is in case of element or in case of compound. Okay, this force that holds any two atoms in a molecule together is called chemical bond, So basically student, a chemical bond is a force that holds, okay, that holds any two atoms, okay, in a molecule together, like we have already learned that molecules are held together in matter by intermolecular force. Okay, that is a intermolecular force or cohesion force. But we should remember that a chemical bond is much stronger than a intermolecular force, means it is much stronger than intermolecular force. All right, so basically student, if we study the matter, like if we are studying if we are picking water, okay, let's take an example of water. So here tiny molecules of water are here, okay, because it is present in liquid state. Okay, so in this one molecule, one hydrogen combines with oxygen and hydrogen. Here also two hydrogen combines with one oxygen. Here also two hydrogen combines with oxygen. So the bond between these two molecules, this is one H2O molecule, water molecule, and this one is another water molecule. These molecules are held together by intermolecular force of attraction, which is also known as cohesion or cohesive force. Okay, whereas the atoms which are forming this single molecule, okay, whereas the atoms which are forming this single molecule are held together by a chemical bond. Okay, and chemical bond is much stronger than an intermolecular force. So the atoms are held together, in a molecule far more strongly than the molecules in a matter. Okay, thus it is much more difficult to separate the atoms. Okay, thus it is much more difficult to separate the atoms of a molecule than to separate the molecules of a matter. I hope everything is very clear up to here. So student, as we have completed the first chapter, you have to quick revise this chapter. Okay, if you come across any confusion, kindly ask to me. Take care.